BC Calc Station activities. Let's take a look at problem 3. What I hope you're going to notice is that an integral and a derivative, a lot of times kids will correctly surmise that in general they're going to cancel each other out. However, what I do want to make a statement about is that with this integral right here, this is the last thing that you do. This goes about the order of operations. The first thing that you're going to do is take a derivative. And you don't have to take that derivative. But once you do take the derivative of e to the tangent of x, then you're going to integrate. You're going to take the antiderivative of what you just found. You're right back to e to the tangent of x. But if you're just integrating, you're going to always have to have an arbitrary constant. So please remember, if you are integrating last, just with no bounds, you're going to have a constant added in. By way of comparison, as we looked at problem 4, you can notice that the last thing you're going to do is take a derivative. Of course, you'd find an antiderivative of 1 over the square root of secant of x. Whatever you do, you take that antiderivative, you'd have a constant there. But when you take the derivative of that, you're right back to 1 over the square root of secant of x. This time you don't have your constant present. So that's what you need to remember. Pay attention to what you're doing as a last resort. It's working from inside to out. You're always going to have this integrand function as part of your answer. You'll either have a plus c if you are integrating last, or you won't have a constant when you take the derivative because the constant would have been canceled out. The derivative of a constant is 0. Hope this is helping.